Traveling to South Korea can be an exhilarating experience, but navigating the public transportation system can be overwhelming for many visitors. With its complex network of buses, trains, and subways, it's easy to feel lost and frustrated. But fear not. With these best travel tips, you'll be able to conquer Korea's public transport like a pro and make the most of your trip. Before you start your journey, it's essential to understand the basics of Korea's public transportation system. Here are a few key things to keep in mind. Subway. The subway system is the most efficient way to get around Seoul, with 9 lines covering most areas of the city. Bus. Buses are a good option for shorter distances or to reach areas not covered by the subway. There are 2 types of buses: express buses and local buses. Train. The train network is extensive with multiple lines connecting major cities like Seoul, Busan, and Daegu. T-Money. T-Money is a prepaid card that can be used on all public transportation systems in Seoul. It's a convenient and cost-effective way to pay for your fares. Planning a trip and wondering how to travel in South Korea? Look no further, Chinju. From transportation tips to translation apps and budgeting strategies, we've got you covered. When it comes to Korean transportation, we'll share the fastest and cheapest ways to get from the airport to your hotel with minimal hassle. Say goodbye to long queues and hello to seamless transfers. Korean transportation is also super friendly to the use of transit cards. So we'll also give you the lowdown on how to effortlessly hop on and off public transportation like a local. Also, you don't want to be that tourist carrying tons of bills in envelopes. For that, we'll reveal the secrets of cashless payments using cards so you can explore Korea without worrying about carrying loads of cash. Read on, and let's dive into how to travel in South Korea to have a memorable trip filled with convenience and savings. Number 1. Go cashless. Say goodbye to fumbling with loose change. Trust us, going cashless is how to travel in South Korea. From street food vendors to trendy boutiques, most places accept card payments. Just whip out your credit or debit card and tap away. It's quick, hassle-free, and gives you more room for those irresistible shopping finds. Plus, going cashless provides added security, as you don't need to carry large amounts of cash with you. So, wave goodbye to the hassle of counting bills and coins and enjoy the seamless experience of going cashless while exploring all the amazing things Korea has to offer. Number 2. Master Korean public transportation. Get ready to navigate Korea like a pro. Tourists like yourself will be glad to know that the Korean transportation system is efficient and extensive, and super affordable if you get the transit card, making it a breeze to get around. Familiarize yourself with the subway and bus networks, and don't hesitate to ask for help if needed. Grab a transportation guide or use helpful apps like Kakao Map to learn how to travel in South Korea, planning your routes and finding the quickest way to your destination. If you plan to go to Seoul, consider avoiding the rush hour crowds, especially on weekdays. In Korea, age is respected, especially when it comes to elders. Show respect by giving up your seat on public transportation or using polite language when interacting with older Koreans. With a little bit of preparation, you'll be zipping around the city like a local in no time. Number 3. Download helpful apps. Download apps like Naver Maps or Subway Navigation to help you navigate Korea's public transport system. By downloading these helpful apps, you'll be able to navigate Korea's public transport system with ease and confidence. Create an account with the app to access more features and information. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, these apps will help you make the most of your trip. Number 4. Download Naver Papago. Naver Papago is a handy translation app, a local favorite in Korea. It offers real-time translation for conversations, menus, signs, and more. Just type or speak your desired phrase and let Papago work its magic. Ask the right questions and you'll be learning how to travel in South Korea in no time. And thanks to its advanced language processing technology, you can confidently communicate with locals, order delicious dishes, and navigate unfamiliar places with ease. Don't let language barriers hold you back. Let Naver Papago be your ultimate language companion in Korea. Get a T-Money card for public transportation. Streamline your travel experience with a T-Money card. This reloadable card allows you to conveniently pay for subway rides, buses, and even taxis, basically all of Korean transportation. Just tap your card on the designated readers, and you're good to go. Plus, it saves you from the hassle of purchasing single-use tickets. Learning how to travel in South Korea has never been easier. The T-Money card not only offers seamless payment options, but also provides discounts and benefits for frequent travelers. Oh, and don't forget to personalize your T-Money card with cute and colorful designs to add a touch of fun to your transportation adventures. Install iTranslator. Need a pocket translator? Download iTranslate. This nifty app helps you communicate effectively by providing translations in multiple languages, such as Korean. Whether you need help ordering food or asking for directions, iTranslate has got your back. It offers text translations, voice recognition, and even offline mode, ensuring you're always prepared to overcome language barriers. With iTranslate, you can confidently navigate your way through Korea and engage with locals, whether in markets, restaurants, or even on Korean transportation. So, say goodbye to awkward language struggles and embrace the pleasure of seamless communication. Get a prepaid SIM card always online? Yup, we are too. Stay connected wherever you go in Korea by getting a prepaid SIM card. With a local phone number and data plan, you can navigate maps across Korean transportation, stay in touch with friends, and share your travel adventures on social media. Feeling lost or bored? Just use some data and learn about how to travel in South Korea. A local prepaid SIM card is a reliable and cost-effective way to stay connected throughout your Korean journey. No need to worry about expensive roaming charges or relying on Wi-Fi hotspots. Simply pop in the SIM card, and you're ready to explore and stay connected on the go. Check out all the free attractions. If you're wondering how to travel in South Korea without breaking the bank, look no further. Discover the country's wealth of free attractions and unlock a world of incredible experiences without breaking the bank. From stunning parks to bustling markets and iconic landmarks, South Korea offers a treasure trove of memorable adventures for every traveler. Visit must-see places like Gyeongbokgung Palace, Namsan Park, or Bukchon Hanok Village, and let their beauty and charm leave you in awe. Hop on Korean transportation and take snapshots of the city skylines and other attractions. You can definitely create unforgettable memories in Korea without splurging. Navigating Korea's public transport system may seem daunting at first, but with these best travel tips, you'll be able to conquer it like a pro. From understanding the transportation system to using helpful apps and carrying cash, these tips will help you make the most of your trip. Remember to always be respectful of local customs and rules, and don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. With these tips and a little practice, you'll be able to navigate Korea's public transport like a native in no time. That's all for today. If you found this video informative, please do like our video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.